Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix voice chat not working in League of Legends. In order to fix the voice chat issues in League of Legends, firstly head to the search panel of Windows. From here type in settings, click on open. After your settings are open, you need to head to the privacy and security tab. From here scroll down until you find the microphone section. Click on it. Make sure that microphone access is turned to on, as well as let desktop apps access your microphone is also turned to on. After that, open up your Riot game client. From here go into League of Legends and click on the play button. Now we will just wait for the client to open. After the client has opened, go to the settings button from top right hand side. From here go to the voice section. From here turn on join the voice channel automatically and make sure that the input mode is on voice activity, which will automatically pick up your voice and your teammates and lobby partners can hear you. So by this method you can easily fix any issues you're having with voice and enjoy League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.